Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a newbie just starting out, trellises are a versatile tool that can transform your outdoor space. What is a trellis? A trellis is a lightweight structure with a framework typically made from wood, metal, or vinyl. It provides support for climbing plants, vines, and even some vegetables. Trellises come in various shapes and sizes, from simple lattice designs to more elaborate arches and obelisks. Many benefits of using trellises. Trellises offer a multitude of benefits for your landscaping design. Vertical interest. Trellises add a vertical dimension to your garden, breaking up monotony and creating a sense of visual interest. Privacy enhancement. Climbing plants on trellises can create privacy screens, blocking unwanted views and adding a touch of seclusion to your patio or sitting area. Space optimization. Trellises allow you to maximize limited space by utilizing vertical space for climbing plants. You can free up ground space for other plantings or walkways. Erosion control. In sloping areas, trellises with climbing plants can help control soil erosion. The root systems of the plants help hold the soil in place. Aesthetics. Trellises themselves can be beautiful decorative elements, adding a touch of elegance and structure to your garden design. Choosing the right trellis. Selecting the right trellis depends on several factors. Purpose. Consider what you want the trellis to achieve. Do you need it for privacy, vertical interest, or supporting vegetables? Plant choice. Different plants have different climbing habits. Match the trellis type to the specific needs of your chosen plant's material. Wood offers a classic look but requires more maintenance. Metal trellises are strong and durable, while vinyl is low maintenance but might not be as aesthetically pleasing. Size. The size of the trellis should be proportionate to the mature size of the plants you intend to grow on it. Style. Trellises come in various styles. Choose one that complements the overall design of your landscape. Trellis placement ideas. Now let's get creative. Here are some inspiring ideas for using trellises in your landscaping. Entryway enhancement. Dress up your entryway with a beautiful trellis adorned with climbing roses or clematis. Privacy screen. Create a living privacy screen along a fence line with a trellis covered in fast growing vines like morning glory or wisteria. Patio perfection. Define your patio space with a trellis archway covered in fragrant jasmine or honeysuckle. Blooming borders. Line your garden borders with trellises supporting climbing vegetables like peas, beans, or cucumbers. Container companions. Add vertical interest to container plantings by using small obelisks for climbing or morning glories. Planting tips for trellises. Once you have chosen your trellis and location, here are some helpful tips for planting. Soil preparation. Ensure the soil around the base of the trellis is well drained and amended with organic matter for optimal plant growth. Plant depth. Follow the planting instructions for your chosen vine or climbing plant, ensuring proper depth. Securing the plant. Gently guide the plant's stems to twine around the trellis structure. You can use soft ties or plant clips for initial support. Watering. Water your newly planted vines regularly, especially during hot weather. Maintenance. Prune your climbing plants regularly to encourage growth and maintain the desired shape on the trellis. And thanks for watching this video. Until next time, keep creating.